Today I will talk about how can you change your country or change country on your Reverso context app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do, so you just click here on your photo profile. Sorry, click here on this photo or your photo profile. Then it's going to enter with you to this list here. So then you come here to country, you just click on it, and here can you select any country you want to add in this list here. So that's all you have to do here to select your country. I wish you know you I get it. That's all. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.